Welcome back, dears. Today in chapter 3.1, we're going to solve those two questions. It's about solving equations. Now, for the first one, I have 2x equals x plus 0.5. The question in here is that, can I add x plus 0.5? The answer is no. Why is that? Because those two are unlike terms. One of them is a variable, while the other one is a number without any variable. That's why I call it unlike term. So what are we going to do? We're going to play volleyball. How are we going to do this? We say number with number, variable with variable. So on my left side, I have 2x. The x on the right side will go to the left side. Take a look at the sign. When I change the side, the sign is also changing. So if it's positive x, when it goes to the other side, it's going to be negative x. So 2x minus x equals 0.5. Now 2x minus x, it will give me x. And x equals 0.5. But the question, we're not done yet. The question asked me solve and check. I solved it, but I did not check it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to start checking. So 0.5 is the same thing as 1 over 2. It has the same answer. In here for the checking, I rewrite the same equation that I have. So I have 2x equals x plus 0.5. Okay? Now, what did I get in x? I got 0.5. So in x, I will put 0.5. Instead of x, you're going to erase x. You're going to put 0.5 with 2 parentheses. In here also, instead of x, you put 0.5 plus 0.5. Now, 2 times 0.5 is 1. And 0.5 plus 0.5, again, it's 1. So my left and my right are the same thing. So my answer is correct. Going to the second question. I have negative 9y minus 5 equals y plus 20. Again, can I subtract those two? No. Why is that? Because those two are unlike terms. What about those two? Can I add them? No. Why? Because these are unlike terms. One of them is variable, one of them is number. What I'm going to do, I'm going to play volleyball. That means number with number, variable with variable. Remember something, students. Always you have to take the sign of the number with you. So if you have 5 here, what's the sign of it? It's negative 5. Inside a circle like a volleyball, move it to the other side. So here, negative 9y. Y, it will be negative y equals 20 stays 20. Negative 5 will become positive 5. Okay? Now, whenever we have two negatives, I put one negative down. Same sign, add them up. 9 plus 1, 10. What's the variable that I have? Y equals 20 plus 5, it's 25. And here, negative 10, I want to find y. We ask the question, what do we have? Multiplication. What do we do? The opposite of multiplication, which is division. I divide both sides by negative 10. Why do I divide by negative 10? Because I want y to be alone. So y equals, remember again, my answer is negative, so copy paste the negative sign first. 25 divided by 10, both of them are divisible by 5. So 25 divided by 5 is 5, and 10 divided by 5 is 2. And like this, dear students, for the checking also, you do the same thing. You rewrite the equation. Instead of the y, you open 2 parentheses, and you put the answer there. And if your left side equals your right side, that means your answer is absolutely correct.